The power of desire. Fuel for success. Every great achievement begins with desire. Desire is the spark that transforms a dream into a goal. Without desire, dreams remain fantasies. With desire, they become missions. The first step to success is to ignite a burning desire within yourself. A desire so strong that it pulls you forward even when everything pushes you back. Ask yourself, what do you truly want? Not what others expect, not what trends suggest, not what sounds impressive. What burns inside your heart? Desire is personal. It is the inner voice that whispers, "This is my path." It is the inner voice that whispers, "This is my path." When you feel that spark, you must nurture it, protect it, and feed it daily until it becomes a fire that lights your way. Desire grows where your strengths live. Choose a path you know well, a skill you trust, a talent you can grow. When desire connects to capability, momentum is inevitable. If you feel passion in writing, write. If you feel passion in business, build. If you feel passion in art, create. Follow the path where you can perform at your best, and let desire amplify that performance. Napoleon Hill said, "The starting point of all achievement is desire, but desire cannot be vague. It must be definite, strong, and persistent. A weak wish will not survive the storms of life. A burning desire becomes identity, becomes commitment, becomes action." How do you create intense desire? You do not wait for it. You build it. Use visualization. See your future vividly, in detail, with emotion. Use writing. Craft a clear statement of your goal and why it matters now. Use affirmation. Speak bold, specific truths to yourself every day. Use environment. Surround yourself with people, places, and content that reinforce your mission. Use proof. Collect small wins so your brain believes, "I can." Desire multiplies when belief grows. Desire is energy. It gives you the strength to wake up early, to stay late, to push harder. Without desire, discipline feels heavy. With desire, discipline feels natural. Desire transforms effort into joy. It turns sacrifice into investment. It turns hard work into progress you celebrate. Every successful person has spoken about desire. Jim Rohn emphasized the spark that gets you started. Tony Robbins taught that imagination plus commitment expands impact. Les Brown reminded us that hunger makes you do the uncommon. These are not motivational slogans. They are observations from lives built on desire. Desire must be cultivated daily. It is like a flame. If you do not feed it, it fades. Feed your desire with routines that keep the fire alive. Visualize your goal morning and night. Read one page that inspires action. Review your why and make it emotional, not just logical. Track one small win each day. Remove one distraction that dulls your fire. Desire without direction burns out. You must aim it. Choose one target that matters most. Define what success looks like in clear terms. Set a deadline so desire becomes urgency, not fantasy. Break the goal into steps so desire has a path to walk. This is how desire becomes motion. Your desire must be your own. Borrowed dreams fail. When your desire comes from imitation, it cannot endure. When your desire comes from your core values, it becomes unstoppable. Ask, what do I value? What kind of work makes me feel alive? What kind of impact do I want to leave? Let your values shape your desire, and your desire shape your goals. Desire thrives on focus. If you chase 10 things, you weaken your fire. If you commit to one mission, you intensify it. Choose a lane and pour yourself into it. Depth beats breadth. Mastery beats novelty. Your desire is a flame. A focused flame cuts through steel. Desire must survive doubt. Doubt whispers, "Who are you to try?" Desire answers, I am the one who will try anyway. Doubt asks, what if you fail? Desire replies, then I will learn and return stronger. Doubt wonders, what will others think? Desire says, I think I was born to do this. When obstacles appear, desire is your anchor. When failures come, desire is your resilience. When fatigue sets in, desire is your second wind. Every achievement has a story of desire that refused to die. Let your desire become that story. Desire loves clarity. Write a desire declaration, a statement that focuses your fire. What you want specifically. Why it matters personally. When you will achieve it. How you will act daily. What you will sacrifice to make room for it. Sign it. Read it daily. Live by it. Desire needs evidence. Collect proof that you are moving. Create a simple daily scoreboard. One action that feeds your goal. One email sent. 1 minute practiced. 1 page written. 1 rep done. Small gains prove to your mind that your desire is not a dream. It is a journey. Desire needs protection. Guard it from cynicism. Guard it from comparison. Guard it from negativity disguised as realism. Protect your fire by controlling your inputs. What you read, who you spend time with, what you watch, what you accept. A great desire cannot grow in a hostile environment. Desire must become identity. You are not someone who wants, you are someone who does. Every day you act, reinforce that identity. I am a creator. I am a builder. I am a finisher. Identity fuels consistency. Consistency compounds into results. Desire must evolve. At the beginning, it is emotional and intense. As you progress, it becomes strategic and disciplined. Early on, chase sparks. Later on, build systems. Let desire start the engine, and discipline keep the car moving. Let desire dream. Let structure deliver. Desire requires courage. Courage to begin before you are ready. Courage to continue when you feel alone. Courage to adjust when you learn better ways. Courage to say no to good things to stay true to the best thing. Your desire will demand decisions. Make them with bravery. Desire is contagious. Share your mission with people who are ready to rise. Invite accountability. Invite partnership. Invite mentorship. When desire connects with community, momentum multiplies. Desire turns pressure into power. Deadlines become focus. Challenges become training. Setbacks become stories of growth. When you hunger for the future, the present becomes a gym where you train your character. Let your desire speak clearly. I will build something that matters. I will do something difficult and worthwhile. I will become the person my future needs. Write this. Repeat this. Live this. Dream less. Do more. But first, desire more. Ignite the fire within and let it guide you through the darkness. Choose your lane. Commit to your path. Feed your flame daily. Make your desire visible in your calendar, in your actions, in your progress. Let your life become proof that a burning desire, aimed and disciplined, can transform anything. To be continued.